to explore to see if there are any fractions, and we find that there is a fraction here, b over 38. Therefore, we need to find the common denominator. Well, since all denominators are not there, like I'm sorry, since there are two denominators of 1 and 38 is the only denominator that changes, then 38 becomes our common denominator. If not, then we will have to play the game down to 1 or find the common denominator however we see fit or however you see fit, okay? Because there are many ways of finding it. Okay, then we're gonna multiply the whole equation by the common denominator. Okay, and anyway, if you have this handout, you know what to do. Once you do that, then you go to the next rule. Then we are going to look for like terms, and we see that there are no like terms on each side of the equation. So therefore, we're going to proceed to find out if there are variables on both sides. You see, that's how you are going to, oh my God, I wish you could see my face because it's really like corny. That is how you're going to justify your analogy. That is how you're going to provide complete evidence, proof, properties used, written justification. This is the perfect example. See, simple question, simple prompt, solve this. And that is going to create a world of exploration. All right? So anyways, so let me stop right there. You already got the idea. And let me go back to where I was because we need to solve this. All right, so let's go over here. I'm gonna go a little faster. This is where you write your justification. I am not going to write the justification. I am going to just say it and solve the equation. You write the justification. So first, I'm going to look for distributive property, and I find none. Then I'm going to look for fractions, and I see that there is a fraction here, so I am going to find the common denominator. Well, 3 is the only denominator here, so that's the common denominator, so I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 3. Remember, we're multiplying sides, not just numbers, so multiply by 3. So 3 times n is 3n divided by 3, okay? So that's 3n divided by 3, plus 3 times 6 is 18, okay? Equals 3 times 9 is 27. These 3's cancel out. So basically, I mean, I should have canceled them out or over here because I already said it. When you multiply and divide by the same number, they cancel out. So now, oh my God, if I'm speaking too fast, then you could just slow down the video on YouTube. All right, so I didn't do anything. All I did is copy this with the cancellation of the 3's. All right, so fractions taken care of. Next rule, do I have like terms? Okay, so I just wrote all of them. If I don't use them, I don't use them. All right, so I got take distributive property taken care because there was none. Fractions, there was a fraction, so I multiplied the whole thing by the common denominator. Like terms, do I have like terms on each side of the equation? Well, this is one side and this is the other side. No, I don't have any like terms. Okay, do I have variables on both sides? Nope. One here but not here, so taking care of variables on both sides. Then additive inverse, is there a number being added to the letter? Hell yeah. Look, positive 18. So positive 18, that means that I'm gonna use the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse? Okay, this cancels out. And 27 minus 18, I have no idea. I think 27 minus 18. Wait, hold on a second. 27 minus 18. I know what it is. That's 9. So my friends, your answer is 9. You see, this is the mechanical way, but at the same time, it follows a logical sequence on how to solve these equations. All right, let's take a look at this one. This one, oh, look, beautiful. This has to do with, well, that's it. So rule number 1, do I have distributive property? My answer is hell yeah. I mean, not hell yeah, but yes. The answer is yes. So, look. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 8 is 40. Equaling 35. Second rule. You know what? I'm just gonna write them over here. Oosh. All right, so these are the rules. So let's see now. Fractions, nope. So no, right? Like terms on the same side, nope. Variables on both sides, nope. Additive inverse, is there a number being added to the letter? Yes. So additive inverse of 40 is negative 40. Then 5x equals 35 minus 40 is negative 5. Now multiplicative inverse of what? Of the number multiplying the letter. So what is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 5? Yes, 1 over 5. So now a number times its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse cancels out. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Divided by 5, negative 1. See that? And basically that's what it is. Okay, what else? Let me see now. How much more do we have? Wow. It's a lot. Okay, not a problem. I'm gonna have to take a break and then continue with this because my machine is going dead. So I'll do it. Okay?